Thank you for watching this video provided by the Forest Restoration Support Team. Today we're going to help you get started treating invasive plants with foliar herbicide treatments. In this video, we will cover the safety considerations that you'll need to take, the equipment that you'll use, how to make foliar herbicide treatments, and how FIRST can help support you in your land management. Let's first define some terms. Foliar herbicide treatments use herbicide sprayed onto leaf tissue and stems that is then absorbed by the plant to effect control. Be aware, all herbicides should include an herbicide label, a legal document that includes information about proper use of the chemical and emergency information in case of exposure or spills. Labels should be affixed to the outside of your herbicide container and may also be available online. Always wear the personal protective equipment, or PPE, recommended on the herbicide label. Be sure that your equipment is working properly prior to each use. You can test your equipment with water. Check for leaks or visible damage and never use damaged or malfunctioning equipment. Do not spray in high winds. Avoid spraying just before or immediately after rain events. You'll want to avoid foliar treatments altogether within 24 hours of rain. As you move through your work site, be aware of your surroundings. In the event of a spill, you can use kitty litter, sawdust, or a purpose-built spill kit to absorb the herbicide. Dispose of the hazardous waste according to your county regulations. Avoid contacting herbicide with your clothes or skin. If herbicide contacts your clothes, remove the contaminated clothing and double wash the clothes by themselves. If herbicide comes in contact with your skin, you'll want to wash thoroughly with soap and water. Remember, these instructions do not substitute for medical advice. Follow the first aid instructions on the herbicide label and call the listed hotline in event of an emergency. PPE for most herbicide that FIRST provides should include safety glasses, long pants and a shirt, a hat, nitrile gloves, and an optional face mask. The first tool you'll need is a plan of action. Scout your work site and positively ID any plants that you plan to treat. FIRST offers in-person expertise in plant identification. You can also find resources for plant ID on the River to River CWMA website, linked below in the video description. Next, you'll need a sprayer. For areas around the size of your standard backyard, a handheld pump sprayer can work well. For more extensive areas, a backpack sprayer will provide greater capacity and ease of movement. For extensive infestations, a UTV with a mounted sprayer may be necessary for its higher capacity and ease of movement. FIRST provides equipment loans to fit your specific needs. The first step in your process is to check your plan of action. Wind conditions play a large role in how and when you apply herbicide. Foliar treatments are ideal when winds are 3 to 10 miles per hour. If there's no wind, don't spray. Be sure you don't stand downwind of target plants. As you spray, pay attention to the wind and any spray drift as conditions change. Never spray above shoulder height. Timing your treatment is crucial. Check out the free guides on the River to River Cooperative Weed Management Area website for a simple calendar on when to treat specific invasive plants in Southern Illinois. Move methodically through your work area to avoid walking through any herbicide and to ensure full coverage. You can think of this process like mowing your lawn. Be sure to focus treatment to the target plants. Thoroughly wet all leaves to the point of runoff, but not beyond. For effective control, treat all of the leaves on your target plant. Prior to transportation, safely depressurize your sprayer and store in a high-sided container. 5-gallon buckets or plastic totes can work well. Secure the container in your vehicle, either in the trunk or in the bed of a truck if possible. The Forest Restoration Support Team offers training, herbicide supply, and equipment to help you manage non-native invasive species on your land. Check out our website to learn more and contact us with any of your questions. Thanks again for watching, and like this video and subscribe to see more like it.